Well, hello all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a 5-chamber split cup inspired, not the colors, but the technique is inspired by Mina and Fiona art. I'll put a link down below to their channels. I'm going to try it on a simple little 8 by 10, a practice canvas. Okay, so first I'm going to put my colors in. This is Artist Loft Red Ochre. I saw it on the shelf and I said I have to have that, so I got some. So I'm going to fill this chamber. Well, I'm not filling it up all the way. That looks about, yeah, it looks about right. Okay, and then my next color next to it is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red. All of my colors are mixed with Michael's Crafts School Glue pouring medium. The pouring medium is mixed 60% glue and 40% water. And then the paints are mixed 1 part paint to, oops, now I got to put a little bit more red ochre in there. I got a little bit more than this in there. And I kind of want my colors to be even. And my paints are mixed 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium and some water to bring them all to the right consistency, which I'm praying I have that. Okay, and this is Amsterdam Vermillion. Mix the same way as the other ones. Okay, trying to get them all even in there, and it's kind of hard when you can't see the levels next to each other because the plastic's too thick. I did go and get a cup from the paint pour store. Fiona has a discount code below her videos because she uses his a lot. And it was the only 5, I had no 5 chamber split cups, so I just had to go with this. This one is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep. Okay. And then my last color is Chroma Molten Metals Xanadu Gold. And I did mix a lot of these just this morning, so I checked all my consistencies, and I hope I got my consistencies right for this. Not too thick and not really super thin. Wait a minute. A little bit more in there. And I'm going to try to do the 2 things at once. Pour while I spin. So wish me luck, because there's no way I can pat my head and rub my belly at the same time. I can't even chew gum and walk at the same time. And I'm going to give you guys a different angle. let me torch it, and then I'll bring it up for a close-up. So I am back to going live. So I go live every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern and every Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Come say hello in the chat.